Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating story about an invention that has saved millions of lives worldwide. Can you guess what it is? That's right, we're talking about car airbags. Airbags is a seemingly simple invention with extraordinary power in protecting human lives. Did you know that airbags can reduce the risk of death in serious accidents by over 80%? Quite astonishing, isn't it? But let's start from the beginning. Car airbags have an intriguing development history. The idea of airbags began in the 1950s. But did you know that the first airbags weren't designed for cars? That's right, they were developed for military and aviation applications. Quite surprising, isn't it? Can you guess in which field the first airbags were used? Leave your answer in the comments below. It wasn't until the 1970s that engineers at Ford began experimenting with airbags in cars. But you know what? Even then, airbags weren't mass-produced due to high costs and technical challenges. It wasn't until 1991 that the U.S. government required all new cars to be equipped with airbags for the driver and front passenger. Now, let's delve into the airbag production process. This is a complex procedure that requires extremely high precision. Did you know that airbags are made from high-strength nylon or polyester fabric? The airbag production process starts with research and development, going through design, simulation, and testing stages before entering actual production. One of the most critical stages in airbag production is assembling the inflator unit. This is the heart of the airbag system, containing explosives and gas-generating mechanisms. Can you imagine that this explosive is usually sodium azide or another compound capable of generating nitrogen or argon gas when activated? How long do you think it takes for an airbag to fully inflate during a crash? Leave your answer in the comments section. The answer will surprise you. It takes less than 1/20th of a second. About 0.05 seconds, for an airbag to fully inflate. That's faster than the blink of a human eye. Incredible, isn't it? But that's not all. Did you know that the explosive force of airbags when they inflate can reach up to 250 pounds per square inch (psi)? That's a tremendous force, sufficient to inflate the airbag and create a protective cushion between passengers and hard surfaces in the car. Today, over 100 million airbags are produced and installed in cars globally each year. This number shows the importance of airbags in protecting the safety of drivers and passengers. But are airbags really necessary in today's technologically advanced society? The answer is yes. Despite many advanced active safety technologies, airbags still play an irreplaceable role. They act as an additional layer of protection when active systems cannot prevent a collision. Let's look at some famous cases where airbags have saved lives. For instance, the case of Professor Scott Weingart in 2018. He was involved in a serious accident when his car hit a wall at high speed. Thanks to the front and side airbags, he only suffered minor injuries and escaped life-threatening danger. How much do you think airbags can reduce the risk of head injuries? Leave your answer in the comments section. The answer is airbags can reduce the risk of head injuries by up to 40%. Pretty impressive, right? Airbags are not just a mere technological invention, but also a symbol of concern for safety and human life in the automotive industry. From initial ideas to complex production processes and widespread application today, airbags have gone through a long and impressive journey. And now, let's ponder together in the future. With the development of self-driving cars and other advanced safety technologies, will airbags continue to play an important role? Or will we find new, more effective safety protection methods? The story of car airbags is a testament to human creativity and relentless effort in protecting lives. From a simple idea, airbags have become an indispensable part of our daily lives, silently protecting us every time we get in a car. Dear friends, if you found this video useful, please leave many number ones in the comments. And if you think we need to improve our content, please leave a like or subscribe to support us. We always listen to your feedback to bring you more interesting and informative content in the future. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some more intriguing facts about airbags. Did you know that the development of airbags has led to innovations in other fields? For example, the rapid inflation technology used in airbags has been adapted for use in life jackets and other safety equipment. It's fascinating how one invention can spark advancements in completely different areas. Also, have you ever wondered about the environmental impact of airbags? While they save lives, the chemicals used in airbags can be harmful to the environment if not disposed of properly. This has led to research into more eco-friendly airbag technologies. Some companies are even exploring the use of compressed air instead of chemical propellants. Isn't it inspiring to see how the industry is constantly evolving to balance safety and environmental concerns? Here's another interesting tidbit: the sound you hear when an airbag deploys isn't just the bag inflating. It's actually a small explosion. The force required to inflate an airbag in milliseconds is so great that it creates a loud bang. Some people who have experienced airbag deployment describe it as sounding like a gunshot or a bomb going off. It's a small price to pay for the immense protection they provide, wouldn't you agree? Can you guess how many airbags a modern car might have? Think about all the different places in a car where an airbag could be useful. Leave your guesses in the comments. You might be surprised to learn that some luxury cars today have up to 10 or even more airbags. There are front airbags, side airbags, knee airbags, curtain airbags, and even seatbelt airbags. The car has practically become a protective cocoon on wheels. As we look to the future, airbag technology continues to evolve. Researchers are working on external airbags that would deploy on the outside of the car to cushion the impact of a collision. Can you imagine a car that puffs up like a marshmallow just before a crash? It might look funny, but it could save even more lives. Thank you all for staying with us until the end of this video. We hope you've learned something new and fascinating about these life-saving devices that we often take for granted. Remember, every time you get in a car, you're surrounded by some of the most advanced safety technology ever invented. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with airbags. Have you ever been in a situation where airbags saved you or someone you know? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, leave lots of number ones in the comments. If you think we can improve, give us a like or subscribe to support our efforts to bring you better content next time. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in our next exciting topic. Goodbye and drive safely.